If Solitaire Cache is not syncing your progress between devices, the first thing to check is whether you are signed into the same account on both devices. Cloud progress depends on the account being recognized correctly, so reinstalling the app or switching devices does not automatically guarantee that your local progress will appear. By the end, you'll know which account, connection, app, and device settings to check before you risk losing access to your Solitaire Cache progress. Start by opening Solitaire Cache on the device where your progress is available. Go to your profile or account section and check which sign-in method is connected. Note whether you used an email address, Apple, Google, or another available login option. Then open Solitaire Cache on the second device and sign in using the exact same account method. Using a different login can create a separate profile, which makes it look like Cloud Save is broken when the app is actually loading a different account. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if both are available. If Solitaire Cache loads normally but your progress does not update, completely close the app, reconnect to the internet, and open it again. The next step is checking for an app update. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone and search for Solitaire Cache. If an update is available, install it before testing the sync again. Different app versions can sometimes behave differently when account data is being loaded. If you recently reinstalled Solitaire Cache, do not immediately start a new game or make changes on the device showing missing progress. First, confirm that you are using the same account that contained the original progress. Creating new activity before confirming the account can make troubleshooting harder. If the problem only happens on one device, restart that device and reopen Solitaire Cache. On Android, you can also check the app storage settings and clear the cache if that option is available. Avoid clearing app data unless you are certain your account information and progress are safely connected to your account. If your progress is still missing after these checks, the issue may require support rather than another reinstall. Contact Solitaire Cache support and provide the account details they request, along with the device you are using and what happened immediately before the sync stopped working. The key checks are simple. Use the same account on both devices, verify the internet connection, and make sure Solitaire Cache is updated. Your practical next step is to check the account shown on the device that still has your progress before changing anything else. If this fixed the problem, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire Cache fixes.